just haven't. That plate belongs to that door, and that door belongs to our kitchen cabinet, the sink cabinet. I tried to open the door after we had our heavy corrugation today, and it stuck, and then suddenly it came loose and the upper hinge gave way. So I'm having a cabinet maker with me. I'm confident he will be able to fix that. Also, I think it would be a warranty thing, but
I think we're doing a different way.
okay.
Because the door is too heavy.
What you thought?
I think we're going with on the top with the taking the drawer out and get a longer bolts. We can bolt it through.
The top drawer.
Yeah,
Okay.
bolt it through the.
Bolt it through.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Have you got bolts here? Nuts?
Yeah, I think we got some.
Okay, cool.
If not,
Sikaflex.
yeah, that comes with Sikaflex, so we can glue the plate back on. But I need a Allen key to get this nut surds out. Or
And of course, we are just out of Bunnings areas.
heavy supply.
140 kilometers from Uluru.
Yeah.
And about 200 and how much? 80 or maybe even more from Alice Springs. Yeah.
The front. This one is the front. So there's only glue up here. Some. So.
Are you checking which way you have to attach it again?
I know. But pardon? So just make it a little bit rough surface.
For the Sikaflex to stay on?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I don't have Sikaflex, so I use normal silicone.
No silicone, okay.
But that will do the job.
Sikaflex is just for when it's getting wet, huh?
Sikaflex is more
Glue?
strong. Boat and caravan building.
It really has everything, look at that.
See this plan here, the snow is too smooth.
Yeah. I thought about the grater. We have a grater down there. What do you think? Oh, maybe.
Oh, good. No panic.
So just roughen that one a little bit as well. Huh?
Never like this.
No, don't put your hands next.
I saw a tradie, he did it.
Yeah.
He cut himself.
Yep.
It hurts.
Mm.
So what do we do? You don't have to go that far on the edge. There will be enough room.
Like how far? Sure.
Yeah, this one here.
Yep.
See? It comes out everywhere.
Yeah, it's not an issue, isn't it?
You can cut it off later.
Yep.
But you have to take the drawer out, otherwise you can't get the
Clamps.
quick clamps. So I would say we let them sit overnight. Fixed!
The traveling tradie.
Yep.
It's nothing that the traveling tradie can't fix.
When you're using silicone or Sikaflex, you got a nozzle on, so you use it just a little bit. Leave it on. Don't take it off, otherwise you have air in here.
Yeah.
So leave it like this, and when you later maybe have to use it, you can just replacing the nozzle, and
You can still use the rest in the
you still
bottle.
can use the rest of the silicone.
Oh, that's good. Tradie tips 101. So 12 hours later,
So we're taking the clamps off.
silicone has set and it's dry.
So this one, you can take it off, you can leave it on if you like.
If you leave it on, it will cover dirt, collect dirt.
Yeah.
I've got hiccups. I need a coffee. This is early morning hours. I haven't made the beds. We just got out of bed.
Yeah.
We just want to clean up. Yeah, finish this one to be able to actually exit the caravan. Look at that.
So. See, there's a little hooks up here. You can see this.
Yeah,
You pull this
the drawer.
drawers out. You grab this one on the side and just slide them on. And go with your head in behind, and then you
Click it in. Hopefully it won't. No, it's not.
That's not.
Ich muss mich nicht stimmen, das ist blöd. No, look at this. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not flush. Yeah. take the box out?
No. Nothing to do with that.
Nicht eingerostet, oder?
Yeah, maybe. You have to adjust it anyway.
Yeah, but it doesn't go fully in. Can't be right. It's too high.
Yes, I have to adjust them.
Okay.
Here I go. Need my screwdriver.
Come here, Daddy. Lay down here. Lay down.
Okay, that screws sitting here on the side. That's not. That's just for security.
So it's not jumping off.
Yeah.
And you have them on both sides.
Yeah.
Right.
So then. See, I don't have it just because the screws pulling them down.
Oh, right, and then it closes easily again.
So then you got your clips here. Pull one side up and then click it down. And there's all the screws to adjust the front in here.
But
we
it's
leave
not
it
self-closing at the moment. It's like not locking in.
better that way.
Okay, hang on.
The hinge plate, we screw them back on. This screw here, you can put some Loctite on, otherwise it comes loose when you're going corrugation road.
And did you put some Loctite on?
Yes, I did.
Oh, right, okay.
But you put it in center, and then you screw them back on using. Don't use a battery operated, because they will strip your little screws. Some jobs you have to do by hand. So,
And it sits like.
yeah.
Can you demonstrate again?
Because you can't. So see, and then
So you have to adjust the height as well.
yeah.
To the highest point?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's a slot here, so you can slide this one up and down.
Okay. Now comes the door.
There comes the door. The door, easy on the back. So lift back, front in, click. Same on bottom, click.
Operating door again. Easy.
Yeah.
Hey,
High five. Done.
that's why you carry a cabinet maker with you.
Yeah. I can demonstrate one thing to adjust the drawer front. You
Yeah.
see this gap here? That's okay.
Yeah,
That's okay.
Yeah.
But this
it's tight.
is coming like this.
Uh-huh.
So don't look what we got in a
Why
drawer.
not? Everybody has his things in there. Okay, so here we are
So
adjusting the position of the drawers.
so you can the drawer front, you can move it sideways as well.
Okay,
So not only up and down.
okay.
So the screw for sideways, I think is this one. You hold your finger here and you can feel it.
And does it move?
Yeah.
Same on the other side.
That's
Now,
the furthest. Give it a check. It's a little bit better.
looks better. Yeah,
Can't
maybe
get-
these ones in the other direction.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it looks good. That's our baking and china cabinet.
So you can do it both way. Yep.
Huh.
Huh.
Happy
This
campers.
says happy campers.
So,
Another
issue fixed.
off-road fix.
Just small things. Well, this one was a bigger one.
Yeah.
And we are going to hit the Great Central
The
Road.
And look outside.
And look, can you hear it? Look, it's raining. They forecasted some more.
Yeah, but this Kimberley, Pilbara.
Yeah, what
Up
do you think
north.
will we go through?
No, we're going. This is up north. We're
Yeah,
going
but
south.
the scratching and it comes down. And the problem is it's flat watch there because of if the rain goes down in the mountains, it flows to the deepest point. And hopefully we don't have any road closures. Here comes the umbrella.